I'm afraid I'm going to lose y'all. We're all good, right? No one disappeared? Okay. So I'm using a Chromebook to do all this. I'm afraid if I'm using the Chromebook, it's going to crash it. All right, so now we're here. This is not as easy as the other ones. Once we hit that 40%, they're going to get a little harder. So I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to show you. Guys, we spent all this time learning Pythagorean theorem for a reason. If I draw a straight line down to that point and a straight line over, the distance that we need is the hypotenuse. That is the distance we're looking for, okay? So when we set this problem up, we need to visualize a right triangle, okay? So how can I do that? Well, I'm going to go ahead and go over here. I'm going to count the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I'm checking the chat. Can somebody in the chat? I feel like a streamer. Hey, chat, tell me, if these are my two legs, what is that blue line called? It's not your two legs. Oh, somebody. It starts with an H. Nobody? There we go. Hypotenuse. Clay England for the win. He didn't spell it with your arm. Thanks, Moana. I appreciate it. Okay, so we're solving for our hypotenuse. Those are the easy ones, okay? So back here on my board, I'm going to write down a gigantic 5 squared plus 12 squared will give us the distance. Every one of these, you're solving for your hypotenuse. Every one of them. You've got to create legs. You've got to create them, okay? And whatever we get here, we're going to take the square root of that to get our answer. So I hope, hey, are y'all liking that calculator I gave you, the Desmos calculator? Are y'all enjoying the Desmos calculator? Yeah, it helps. Thanks. Who wants a jawbreak? Aiden, what? Okay, good. I'm glad that y'all are enjoying it. Okay, so back to our numbers. We're going to do 5 squared plus 12 squared. We get 169. I already know the square root of 169 because that's one that we learned at the very beginning of school year. We learned 1 through 20. You may not remember it, but I'm going to give you a hint. It's the one right after 12 squared. Okay, so I've got 169. I'm going to hit square root of that. Oops. No, I'm not. I'm going to hit answer. Then I'm going to hit square root, and I'm going to hit answer. The square root of 169 is 13. So we go back over here, and we're going to type 13 in. Sweet. What are y'all thinking about that? We're going to do more. Are those a little better, or are they still scary? Thank you there, Lucas. Anyway, all right, back to this. Another one. So we're doing the same thing here. I'm going to draw and create a right triangle. Boom. We're going down 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going over 2, 4, 6. Spoiler alert, Mr. Griffin already knows the answer to this one because it's a special triangle. I'm going to bet 10 bear bucks that this is going to be 10. 10 whole bear bucks. The answer here is 10. All right, watch this. So we're going to do the same thing we did a second ago. We're going to do 6 squared plus 8 squared. And whatever the answer to that is, we're going to take the square root of that, okay? So I'm going to go to my Desmos calculator. I'm going to go back to the mouse. 6 squared plus 8 squared, enter. I get 100. What's the square root of 100? Bet you it's going to be 10. It is. Going to slide back over here. Going to hit 10. Blah, blah, blah. Submit. Good work. I'm going to go ahead and turn off that Screencastify. Stop. There